Hello and welcome to Paul's Engage channel. I'm going to put on this video the status of the 00 house, terraced house, back only, half relief I suppose. So that's I'm going to show you and what I've done with it, going from the shell to the nearly completed house. I've got some details to put in, weathering, but hopefully in the next week or so it should be finished. Anyway, see how you like it, subscribe to the videos, like, and let me know any comments, whether it's good, bad, indifferent, but no rude words, please. And yeah, we'll carry on doing these builds as they go. I'm also looking at doing another layout, or continuing with a layout, but more of that later. Anyway, thank you for looking, thank you for subscribing, and keep on watching. Thank you very much.